Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to delve into an incredible feat of engineering in China, where 180,000 workers were sent to turn a desert into a mega construction site for a massive project. Let's step into this intriguing story. Hey there, technology enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the fascinating world of robots and artificial intelligence. As you know, robots have been a part of our lives for decades now, and they're only getting smarter. But did you know that there could be a point where our AI creations could outsmart us? Imagine a world where AI surpasses human intelligence. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, some experts believe that this could happen within the next few decades. So, what does this mean for humanity? Well, it's an exciting yet nerve-wracking prospect. The idea of machines surpassing humans in intelligence might seem frightening, especially if they become more autonomous. However, it's crucial to remember that this doesn't have to be a negative thing. The key is to foster a collaborative relationship between humans and AI. The transformation is taking place in the region of Inner Mongolia, where local authorities are working alongside thousands of workers to bring this project to life. The workers are involved in tasks like moving sand and laying foundations for buildings and other structures. As this mammoth project unfolds, it's fascinating to observe how human ingenuity can change the landscape and build a new city from scratch in one of the world's harshest environments, the desert. Thank you for joining me on this journey into this incredible story from China. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates from around the globe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.